and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar. We have RUEL here with one of his latest releases, Go On Without Me. Only 3 chords played in the same way through the entire song. We have a challenge here with the switches, but anyway, let's start this one up. No need for any capo here, so we're going clean, and the chords will be E, B, and F sharp. So starting with E here, that will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be B, and I suggest that you play it like I do, like this. It's pretty much 2 bars. So 1 bar is on the 2nd fret here, from the A string and down. That means all strings except from the last E here in the bass. So place it there. Yeah, that's the easiest way. And then the 2nd bar will be on the 4th fret from the D string and down. So pretty much just need the bass here for this one. You could just go with 1 finger, but I feel it's the best way to have 2 bars. You get better grip there. So the 2nd bar was on the 4th fret from the D string and down. Try to avoid the last E here when you're strumming, okay? So 2 bars like that, that will be the B. And then we have the 3rd and last chord, that's the F sharp. So you're still here with a bar on the 2nd fret, this time over all strings, and the rest will be 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. All right, so this is just about doing downs here. So on the E, you play 4 downs. Then you quickly change to B, and this is the challenge here. 3 downs. Try to avoid the last E string, like I said. And then on the F sharp, you play 9 downs. So slowly, like this. All right, and with some tempo, like this. And so on. And that pretty much covers RUEL's Go On Without Me. So thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.